Just when you thought there was no hope, we come up with a new therapy. Hey, it's Dr. Pablo here. Most of you know I've been helping people for over 20 years become cancer-free using the top 10 therapies on the planet. We've got 2 more to add, 2 more powerful therapies. And the amazing thing is they complement the others. They work synergistically. When it comes to these alternative therapies, 1 + 1 doesn't equal 2. It equals 3. And 3 + 3 doesn't equal 6. It equals 10. So this is 10 of the most powerful combination therapies you can ever use to become cancer-free if you choose not to burn, cut, and poison, which is a personal choice. So I'm holding a cancer workshop on this Sunday. This Sunday, you'll need to register for this week. I'm going to allow live questions and answers that everyone will hear. And you can think of questions that other people haven't thought of and vice versa. So how powerful is that? So I'm limiting this to only 30 people. Why? Because I want all of your questions answered with detail, not a rust, yes, no, you should do this, but in detail. I'm going to answer every one of your questions. So if you or a loved one, friend or friend of a friend has cancer, early stage or extremely late stage, there's still hope. RSVP us as soon as possible to reserve your position. Click the link below, register, and don't miss out on this life-saving opportunity. This might be the missing link you've been looking for. So many people are doing things and they're not doing them correctly. Getting the combination correct is important. Finding out online of one therapy that is so good, but you do it wrong. So many people, they're not taking the right combination of supporting supplements for that therapy. Nothing is one product. It's a combination, and you need to get the combination correct, and you need to make sure one therapy is not minusing out the benefit of another therapy. And at this workshop, I'm going to teach you everything. The ABC, the top to the Z. I'm going to cover everything you need to know. So until we catch up this Sunday, bye for now.